In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Elementor kit into your WordPress site. Whether you're revamping your website or starting a new project, Elementor kits can make your design process seamless and effective, pulling together all the elements you need with just a few clicks. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you up and running with your new design toolkit. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Templates section and click on Website Templates. This will open the area where all your Elementor kits can be accessed and managed. There's also an alternative way to get here. If you are in the Elementor editor, simply click on the folder icon you see there and select the Kit Library tab. This alternative route is quite handy if you're already in the middle of editing and decide you want to switch or apply a new kit. After you've accessed the website templates, you'll be presented with a wide array of kits to choose from. Take your time browsing through these options to find one that fits your project's vision and needs. Once you have your eye on a kit, hover over it and you'll see the View Demo option. Click on this and then select Overview. This allows you to inspect the kit's contents thoroughly. It's crucial to ensure that the features and styles align with your goals before moving forward. Once you've decided on a kit, click Apply. At this point, you'll be prompted to make a selection from three key areas: templates, content, and site settings. Each of these areas offers different functionalities that you may want to implement on your website. For templates, you'll bring in headers, footers, and pages that are part of the kit. If you choose content, you'll be importing posts and pages from the kit. And finally, site settings allows you to incorporate colors, fonts, and other styles, ensuring your site has a cohesive look throughout. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click Import. Depending on the kit, you may be prompted to enable unfiltered file uploads, especially if your kit includes SVG files. This step is important as it ensures all elements of the kit are properly uploaded and displayed on your site. Now, it's time to wait as your import finishes. This usually doesn't take long, but be patient until the process is complete. You'll be informed once everything is successfully imported. Finally, click Close to exit the import process. And there you have it. Your selected Elementor kit is now part of your WordPress site, allowing you to start customizing it to fit your specific needs. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!